Hello, welcome back to Chef Mama D in the house. Today, I have a very special treat for you. It's been going viral on TikTok, so you know Mama D had to find out for herself how good this is. This is the spicy Asian cucumber salad. Look at this. Woo! So we are going to teach you Okay, in love, you're gonna die for this. Step one, guys, we're gonna cube up our cucumber. Ready? So you're gonna wanna slice it down the middle. Flat. And then we're gonna wanna slice it down the middle there. And then we're gonna chop them up into nice bite-sized cubes. Okay, then we're gonna get our bowl. Whee! We got our cucumbers. Okay, now we want to salt them up. So, ready? Bam! Okay, we're gonna get a little bit of sesame oil. Yay! And we're just gonna give some splash. It's supposed to be like a few tablespoons. Next, rice vinegar. Another 1-2 teaspoons. I got the secret sauce, guys. Chili oil. You guys ready? Okay, I like it spicy, so we're gonna put a big chunk. Oh, we gotta stir it up. Let's stir it. Ready? Here we go. Ooh! You guys ready? I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls in. Ooh. We might go for 3, guys. Let's see what this tastes like. Okay, we're gonna stir it up. That already looks bomb. Okay, we can't forget our soy sauce. We're gonna put some soy sauce in. We wanna put a little bit of brown sugar, guys. And don't forget the sesame seeds. Woohoo! Sesame seeds. And twirl it in. Woo! Woohoo! We minced up garlic, fresh garlic. We're gonna add it in. Our fresh garlic. Gonna mix it around. Ooh. Got the fresh garlic going. Give it that kick. Gotta kick. First, let me know. Oh. Bomb. This is really bomb, guys. Love.